Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to enable CPU Virtualization in the BIOS. This will allow you to use more cores when adjusting the CPU settings in your Android emulators. To start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and you need to restart your computer. You now need to keep tap and delete to enter the BIOS, or if this doesn't work, you need to find out what key it is you need to press to access your BIOS. Once you are in your BIOS, you should hopefully have a screen that looks pretty similar to mine. At the top, as you can see, I am on Intelligent Tweaker. This is the menu I need to access to be able to enable CPU virtualization. Hopefully you should have an option like this. If you don't, you will have to go through each menu until you find the CPU virtualization option. A good place to start would definitely be the Advanced BIOS features. I'm now going to go ahead and enter my Intelligent Tweaker menu. If you're using the same BIOS as me, you now need to go down to miscellaneous settings, and once you're in here you will now have a virtualization technology option. You can now go ahead and change this from disabled to enabled, and you now need to go ahead and press F10 to save your BIOS, or whatever key it is to save your BIOS. Once you have done this, you can now restart your computer, and it really is as easy as that. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.